Hi everyone, in this tutorial we will start coding our data visualizer app and we will prepare our environment as well. So first of all, you need PyCharm obviously, and I hope all of you will have PyCharm, and then you need Python. But wait, now you will be thinking that okay, we have already installed Python 3.9 or something like that, then why we need another Python interpreter? So let me answer you this question, that as we will build a data visualization application and obviously we will use Matplotlib. So the Kivy Garden Matplotlib module works very well with Matplotlib 3.1.1 version, but the Matplotlib 3.1.1 version doesn't work properly with Python 3.9 or I think 3.8 or something like that. So we need an older version of Python interpreter in order to install Matplotlib 3.1.1 and in order to use Kivy Garden Matplotlib module. So you just need to go to python.org, the official website of Python, and you just need to click on this download, and this will redirect you to the download page. But you do not need to download the latest version, you just need to scroll down and here you will see this type of interface, and it is written looking for a specific release. Obviously we are looking for a specific release of Python, and I will recommend to you that you should go with Python 3.7.7 in this case, because I have tested it and it works very well with Matplotlib 3.1.1. So here is my Python 3.7.7. You just need to click on this download, and this will redirect you to the download page of this version. And here, if you are using Windows, then obviously you need to download it for Windows, and you just need to select this Windows x82 64 executable installer if you are using Windows. But if you are using Mac or Linux, then obviously you can choose your version from this list. So after downloading this Python 3.7.7, you just need to double click on the setup and you just need to hit next, and this will install 3.7.7. But now you will have two different Python interpreters in your system. So if you just type cmd in your search panel, and here if you write where pyth on Python, you will see that it will tell you you have this Python 3.7 or Python 37 and then this Python 39. So this is the updated version of Python, and this is the one which we have installed it now. We actually need to use this Python 3.7.7. So we need to install all the packages, all the modules with respect to this version of Python, and I will show you how you can use this Python 3.7.7 interpreter in order to install different types of packages. So for now, for example, if I just go to this location, so just copy this part, okay, copy it and just paste it right here. So this will redirect you to the location where you have Python 3.7.7 interpreter. So here, as you can see, this is my Python interpreter. Now you need to have PyCharm obviously, so just open the PyCharm and we need to create a new project. Okay, so just click on file and then new project. But I think in this case I will not create any kind of virtual environment, because I hope that now all of you know very well how to create virtual environment and how to work with virtual environment. So I will not go with virtual environment in this case. Now we need to define location for our project. So just click on this folder icon and I will save my files in these documents and just create a separate folder for it, and I will say data data visualizer. Click OK and just select this data visualizer folder and click OK. Now I will not create new environment. Okay, so I will just select this option, previously configured interpreter option, and now here you just need to select your interpreter. So as you can see now, currently I have two options, Python 3.9 and then Python 3.7. so if you are unable to see this Python 3.7, you just need to click on these three dots, and here you just need to again click on these three dots, and you just need to go to the directory where you have your python 3.7.exe file. Okay, again you just need to copy this location, just copy it, paste it right here and hit enter. It will redirect you to that folder, and just open this python 37 folder, and you just need to select this python.exe file and click ok, and this will open your python exe, and then you just need to click ok, and this will add your python 3.7 interpreter to this list. And then you just need to select that interpreter, and obviously I need man.py file, and you just need to click on this create button, and I will create on a new window. So this is creating everything, and now as you can see, my interpreter is python 3.7. okay, so if I click on it, I can switch to python 3.9 interpreter, but I will not, because in this case I will use python 3.7 interpreter. So if I run this thing, everything will work fine. As you can see, hi PyCharm. And now I need to install my Kivy module for python 3.7. so again you just need to go to the directory where you have python 3.7, and here you just need to open cmd. so just type here cmd, hit enter, and this will open your command prompt in this directory. Now if I type here pip dash dash sion version, you will see that it will return the pip version, which is the python 3.9 version, and obviously it is 21.3.1, but we need to use pip 19 version, which is the version of python 3.7 interpreter. So in order to use that pip, you just need to type pyth on a python, then dash m, and then you need to type pip. okay, now this python dash m pip will actually let us to use the pip older version, which is 19 obviously, and you can even type here that dash dash sion version. Now you will see that it will return us 19 here, and yeah, 19. so this 19 version is basically related to our python 3.7 interpreter. So now we need to type here pyth on a python dash m pip, and now you need to type install install and then kivy kivy. So now our python interpreter will install kivy with respect to python 3.7 version. okay, and as you can see, I have already installed my kivy module. So after installing kivy, you just need to open your PyCharm again, and here you just need to type CLA class, and then let's create our app class, and this will be something like maybe visualizer visualizer app, okay, or something like that. It's totally up to you. And then we need to inherit this app class and just pass it, and here you just need to type visualizer visualizer app, then instantiate it, and then .ru, and we need to call this run run function, but we need to import this app class first. So import it, and it is from kivy.app.app. okay, and now let's run it. okay, so yeah, we have obviously a blank screen because we have not created anything yet. So let's close it, and I hope it's enough for this tutorial, and in the next tutorial we will start coding our application, and I will see you there. Till that point, bye bye.